Alright, Doughboy. You're gonna check this out right now. The dogs are gonna eat this good stuff right here. Doggy food. Wet food with dry food. We're gonna add one more packet and a little more food. Come outside with me. Oh no. We need to go buy food. What's up, girls? They smelled it, so they know what they're gonna get. Look at their excitement now. I'm gonna see how fast they gobble this shit down. Hey, get outside. Go, get. Alright, most of the food went in, so now we're gonna mix it up again. Roger? No. You gotta wait. It's not finished. It's not a finished product yet. Calm down. Alright, see? Some dry foods now on top of that wet food, first packet. These dogs are not even gonna be, they're probably not even hungry right now. Stay. Alright. Put the camera down for a minute. Alright, Doughboy, check this out, homeboy. So here goes a bowl, here goes another packet. I know you have football practice, so I decided to tape this for you. Here it goes, look, check it out. Oh yeah. Make sure you get all the juice out of there. Yummy. Now we just mix the sucker up. Party foul. Alright. You ready for the big finale? Here you go, baby. Look at that. Nothing but juicy. Juicy, juicy. Guys ready? Alright. Alright, here we go, Doughboy. Check it out, bro. There it goes. Get this shit. Actually, I don't even think they're chewing, bro. Let them go. Get that shit. That's what we're talking about. Look, Doughboy, look at that shit, homeboy. Not even 2 minutes. We're not even fucking 2 minutes yet. Look at that bowl. Check out that bowl. Clean. Clean as a whistle. Look at that. Good girl. Good girl, Gracie. Good girl, Gracie. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Rajah, you fatso. Liked it, huh? Alright, that was a treat. Thank Grandma.